guys, just finished the raffle here. Raffle's all done. We'll start the actual break now. What do you guys think? Limited or the cup first? You guys choose. First one to say it gets it, or your picks. First one to pick cup. Alright. You sure about that? Limited. Alright, I'll do the cup. Look at that gash. I love the cup. Best hit from the cup so far was probably the Niederreiter. Sealed, guys. No, probably not the Niederreiter. Let's see. Niederreiter or... Jeez, what's better than Niederreiter? You guys remember? I can't even remember what the last break was. Anyways, Boston consistently hits well in the cup. If you had Boston, I predict you guys do well again tonight. What can you see here? Okay. This guys. Alright, I'll hide it from you guys so you guys I don't ruin the suspense. Okay, so you can't see what you can. What here? Perfect. Okay. So to start off, we have a base of Zach Parise. So what I'm about to pull after the Zach Parise just proves the point I just made. Boston always hits. I thought that was Sagan. Imagine. That's Andrew Bondarchuk. 3-color auto rookie patch for the Bruins. Always hit. Oh my god, we got a redemption. We'll read that one later. Redemption, guys. For the Phoenix Coyotes, Brett McLean. Rookie auto patch. Nice hit for Phoenix. Also to Kyle. Congrats. Next we have pretty dusty looking card for Matt Cassian of the Minnesota Wild. And we have an Evander Kane jersey base to replace the actual base. Nice card there for Winnipeg. So let's take a look at this redemption. Oh my god. So this is a double for two different guys. So John, you win half of it because I saw your teams, and the other guy is whoever won your jersey because it's Brodeur Miller. I don't know if you guys can see on the blog camera. I'll read it out, or I'll highlight it. It's Martin Brodeur, Ryan Miller. Honorable numbers, numbered to jersey. So it's out of 30. Redemption. It's a sick hit. Very nice hit. And we'll have to randomize that. Okay. We'll have to randomize that. That was a nice surprise there. We'll do that at the end. You guys did it? Freeze there? What was the last thing you guys saw? I have a link on the YouTube, so here on the camera. What was the last thing you guys saw? Did you guys see this yet? Nice redemption. Yes. Okay. So you had a good chance of winning that, John. We'll just do limited right now, I guess. It's out of 30. It's double Ryan Miller and Martin Brodeur. It's out of 30. It's a sick hit. Very nice. So it's either Buffalo or New Jersey who's going to win that. I'll have to do the randomization after limited, guys. I really hate these boxes of limited. Checklist. And this beauty looking pack. Sealed, guys. Here we go. Alright, Patrick Kane base for the Chicago Blackhawks. Matt Moulson base for the New York Islanders. Patrick Roy, nice base. Legend base for Colorado. Yep, Colorado. So it's the team on the back that gets the card. Colorado there. Oh, something from Edmonton. Phenoms. We'll do this one first. Ron Francis retired numbers. It's out of 199 for Carolina. So here's the Edmonton card. Oh, why can't it be Nuge? Anton Lander. Maybe the dustiest one to grab. It's out of 299. Why can't it be Nuge? We have Shani Baby here. This is out of 99 for the Blues. And lastly for the Red Wings, nice hit for Pavel Datsyuk there. Banner season, out of 50, 25 out of 50. Nice hit there. Alright, so I will be posting a scan of all the nicest hits on Facebook and our webpage. And I guess we're going to do the randomization now. Here's the webpage. Check that out. So it's the Islanders. Or not the Islanders. I don't know how I'm going to do this, guys. So I'm going to have to do it out of the box. Okay. So let's figure out who had these teams. John had one of them. Am I right? John had Buffalo. Who had the Devils? Of course, New Jersey Devils man does. So the Devils and the Sabres. Who will grab it? John or Dwayne? John and Dwayne, you guys have 50-50 chance of grabbing it. What I'm going to do is write down each of your names on a post-it. Put it in a tin of the cup and raffle. Just like we did the raffle, guys. I won't be looking. Alright, so between you guys, I would really hate to lose this. This is a nice card. Alright, so write down one of them. That's Dwayne's. And that's John's. Dwayne. John. I'm real nervous for you guys. I'll even do it in the mini tin of the cup here. Alright. I'm gonna drop them in here, guys. Look. Both are in here. Alright. Best of luck to both of you. Anybody want to make any predictions? Okay, I'm all looking. I can't see at all. I'll mix it up a bit. Still can't see. We'll pick this one. Dwayne. Oh, John. That sucks. Well, I'm not letting John go empty-handed. You'll definitely get something in the mail, buddy. Yes, I did. Oh, fuck. Poor guy. Don't worry, John. I'll make it up to you. Alright, so Dwayne, congrats. It's a sick hit, buddy. Congrats, Dwayne. Must be a lucky, very happy man right now. It's a sick hit. But, fuck, I'd be pissed right now. So, John, I will be taking care of you. I can't just let you lose like that. Alright, guys, remember SP Game Used? I don't know if it's done yet. If not, check that out quick. Its ending teams are super cheap. A scan of the best hits will be posted on our Facebook page, and it'll also be posted on our website, MikeDomHockeyGroupBreaks.webs.com. Alright, guys. Cheers.